how are you? We're going to a pack meeting tonight. You know what's interesting? They don't have to wear their scout uniform. They just wear what is this little guy wearing? He wants to wear a hat. I mean, I don't blame him. It's kind of cold out. Oh, and then Liam found his Weeble. You know, I started using a new gel on them. Their hair gets real flaky. So I think I'm gonna have to switch. But yeah, a hat is a great idea to hide the flakiness. But this is his scout hat. So we got our new sink. And because of that, we have to all the under the sink stuff is here. And we can't use the dishwasher or the sink just for the night. Things are coming along. We got our curtains. And we're gonna move the couch eventually, but we're waiting to buy side tables and waiting to get our coffee table. We had a rug here, but we returned it. I think I showed you guys. I'm not sure about this pillowcase. What do you guys think? This one? Actually, let me bring it up like this and change. See, this is the light that I used to have good lighting. What do you think about that fluffy one? I like maybe this combo better. You guys see that? But yeah, I like the curtains. It makes it feel like home. I want to show you guys my room. I don't think I ever showed you my room, but we got our bed. But yeah, I'm so happy about our bed. I love it so much. I love the green. I don't know. I just felt like green was nice. The earthy tones and all the things. And I like this little decorative blankie. And I just love the florals. Yeah, I love it. Anyways, that's all I gotta share. Oh, and then this, I can charge my phone. I got it on Amazon. You see that? I can charge my phone. And here is a shiznit show of clothes I can't fit anywhere. That's why Justin bought this dresser so that he can build it. And then we're gonna put it right here underneath the TV, and I'll move my molecule somewhere. Let me show you. I still haven't unpacked everything because I don't have space in my closet. Underneath all this is a shiznit show of his clothes that I cannot fit anywhere. Store leads to the closets and the bathroom. It's messy, okay? But I will show you. So here is my closet. Like I said, it's a work in progress. We still have crap over there, but I like everything color coordinated, situated. We got a dresser here to put my panties and my socks and my bras. You know, things like that. I got purses there, but I store purses in my laundry room. And then my gym clothes are there. Sorry for the mess here. It's because we had this installed and our handyman had to drill holes here. And then it doesn't match. This is an ironing board, which I think is so cool. Hi friends, our bathroom is messy right now. Sorry about that. We got a bathtub. I got towels there. I love our shower. It's it has a steamer. I don't think I ever showed you our shower. Oh yeah, I was telling you guys about the body washes that smell good. This one and this one smells like hot cocoa. Yeah. And then we got a little nook here. I like the shower a lot. And then my squatty potty stay over there, like I always show you. And then that's my closet. And that's Justin's, like I showed you. I can't believe I have my own closet space, but still I don't got space. So this one is my side, and then Justin has his own side. And we got new carpet all throughout because, to be honest, when we came here, it smelled like the closet especially smelled really bad. And we were like, oh, let's just put damp rid or whatever it's called. And by the way, Justin's closet, he doesn't have that much clothes, so he's letting me borrow this space. But yeah, he has this dresser. He picked the dressers. I'm not picky. He picked the dressers and he just put it in there. I feel like it could have been wider, but whatever. And then I organized this for him too. And then you guys have seen the bathroom. Read the Berenstain Bears and the Nutcracker. Growing up, I thought it was Berenstain, but it's Berenstain.
Berenstain, I'm pretty sure.
I don't know.
It says stain.
Good morning, friends. It's going to be 10 degrees today, but it says it feels like -6. This is what the outfit of the day is. So we got long underwear underneath, and then we got the snow pants, we got the snow boots, and then we have, the long underwear, a t-shirt on top, a hoodie, a neck scarf thingy. What else, Jakey? You got your big snow jacket, your hat, And what else? Oh, and then the gloves are in your pocket, right? Though he has two kinds, the cloth kind and the waterproof kind. We good to go. We good to go. I hope you stay warm, buddy. Justin installed the dresser. I think it's beautiful. Now I can put some clothes, but I probably won't be spending much time upstairs here, so I'll do that maybe tonight because our handyman's gonna be up here. So today we're gonna get this whole wall painted because it doesn't match. Guess what we're having for dinner? I'm so excited. We're gonna have that viral Turkish pasta, Anna Paul's Turkish pasta. I didn't want to keep watching the video over and over, so I found a recipe called Anna Paul's Viral Turkish Pasta from Andy's East Coast Kitchen. These are all the ingredients for Anna Paul's Turkish pasta. So it looks like this. Happy Friday, friends! Friday's usually movie night, but we're not doing that because we want to have movie night with Sophia and family. Why do I say that? I say Sophia and then, you know, everyone like Sharon, Steve, Jessica, baby. But yeah, we're going to save that because we want to have movie night with our family. And the only day that they were available was Sunday. We made it work though. I missed them because we didn't see them last week because I had a cold and then Justin wasn't feeling well. But thankfully he didn't end up getting a full-blown cold. He just wasn't feeling well for like 2 days, but it was never like a runny nose or a cough. It was just, I think it was from him traveling, and you know, sometimes traveling makes people sick or not feel well for a day or two or whatever. But yeah, I'm about to go get the kids. Justin's coming this time around. We're gonna take them out to eat since we're not doing like the regular Friday movie night thing. We're going to Asia Mall. I'm so excited. I want them to see Asia Mall, and I want to get all the yummy Asian snacks and all the things. Jacob needed a piece, so we went to Dairy Queen, and I got cheese curds. The boys got cheese curds too and fries. Jacob wants you to know he didn't get cheese curds. He got fries, and Liam got what? Cheese curds.
I also want you to know that I am the one who got it for
Thank you, baby dad. We're at Walmart looking at toys. Jakey has sneakers on, not snow boots, because PE was his PE.
Business to go.
But I promise you, he does have his snow boots, and it was in a baggie that he carried home. You are a silly goose. Can I just talk about snow boots? Those are the best. The Sorel one. I'm so happy the boys like it here. They got their rice and shrimp, rice and chicken. They tried pho because my pho is so large. Oh yeah, Jakey wants to show you his shrimp, and Justin, oh well, he's done. My favorite.
But we need to go to the cash register.
Yeah, the cash register. We're here at my favorite
And
place.
Liam danced.
Asia Mall. Yeah, we got
Liam danced.
We're gonna try this place. We just found these. That Kiefer Court place, they didn't have a lot left because, you know, it's a bakery and we came at night, like after dinner. We all tried this, pretty good, but I was hoping it would be like soft and like chewy in the middle. It's hard. It's like a giant hard almond cookie. And then we got this, I wanted this coconut custard one, but they had this left, this pineapple one. It's good. It reminds me of, in California, we have this place called Tout Le Jour. Yeah, Tout Le Jour. It reminds me of that. So when we were at Walmart, I looked at home decor. Girl, my designer gave me links to pillows that were so expensive. Tell me why I found a similar one. Similar at Walmart. Oh my gosh. And I don't even need to buy like the cushion and the case. It's just it. Like, and the color's perfect. Like, I love it. I could put it on this top couch or downstairs in the basement. Right now, I'm gonna just do it in the basement because it matches our basement colors. But after Christmas, I might bring it back up or might go back to Walmart because wow, and it's soft. If you were wondering what we got at the Asia Mall, just had to stop and get some of this because it was right by the restaurant. Oishi, my favorite. And then I got boba straws because one time I ordered boba and they didn't give me the straw and I was so sad, so now I have it. I have this DIY air freshener going on. Oh my gosh, this one is nice. It smells delightful. It is cranberries that I got at Walmart yesterday, lemons, clementine. Like, I peeled a bunch and put it in a Ziploc bag in the fridge so I can get the clementine skins, water, ginger, cinnamon sticks, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, and that's it. I didn't have any more vanilla extract, but ooh, this smells amazing. Hi friends, how are you? Happy weekend. The boys went to their ski lessons. I was really bummed I couldn't go. We had a coffee table delivery around the same time, but the funny thing is the coffee table was delivered like literally 5 minutes before they left for ski lessons. So I could have gone. It's just the timing was a little like, we didn't know if I was gonna stay or if I wasn't, depending on if the coffee table would be delivered. It was delivered, but unfortunately, like, and the thing is, Justin and I, we had the hardest time agreeing on coffee tables. Like, I gave him like 7 different options and he didn't like any. So he gave me a couple and I was like, you know what, I like this one too. Cause like he liked it, I liked it. And so we finally agreed. Except this is so small. So we're definitely gonna have to return it. We ordered it through Wayfair. And the thing that sucks is it's not like Amazon where it's free return shipping. Or even Ruggable. Ruggable was free return when we returned that rug that didn't like fit the living room. This is, we're gonna have to pay $175 just to return it. Like, I wish it would work for our space, but it's just so small. And this is what happens when you go off and don't listen to the designer, because the designer gave me different ones that, but we didn't get the one that the designer told us to. We went and got a cheaper one, so let me show you. So it's cute, but it just looks small for the space. Yeah, like let me show you all around. Like it's so small and so low. We just need something a little higher and like double the size. And we did measure it and we were like, oh, it's gonna be great, but having it in the house, just, it's so cute though. Like, we love the wood, we love the circle. There were kind of like different types of options that the designer recommended. They were just like $2,000, $3,000 for a coffee table, and we were like, no, we're gonna go with Wayfair instead. And I love the wood. Like, I think it's beautiful. It's just a little small. Oh my goodness, look how cute my kitties are. They're just hanging out together because they like the fireplace. How cute. Hi, babies. Relax your bodies. So cute. Oh, stay warm, you guys. Such happy kitties. The thing about Charlie, though... Hi, buddy. You dreaming? I moved this here by the couch. He wasn't, like, feeling it. He was like, nope, I refuse. He wouldn't sleep on it. And then I finally put it back in his spot, and now he sleeps. So last night we went to Walmart because we were working with a brand. We went on location to pick up one of the games, and then when we went back home, like, you know, we put all the groceries away and things like that, and then we went down in the game room, and the kids loved it that after filming, Liam and I played another round, like on the table, and Justin played chess with Jacob. It was so cute. Yeah, anyways, what else? I was very grateful for that opportunity because I don't get too many like I used to back in the day, but that's also, I have gone into that, but it's also my fault because when my mom passed away, I like physically could not get myself to be as much of a hustler as I used to be. And like Justin always tells me, is like, it's not your time anymore, like it's my turn. And I'm like, say less. But I'm still working, clearly, because I'm still here and I'm vlogging all the time and I love it. And I, for the first time in a long time, I told my friend Danielle this, but I told her for years I felt like a loser. I felt like no matter what, like I couldn't be the person that I wanted to be. And it was grief that was holding me down. And I finally feel like myself again. And I feel like after all these years, and I don't ever want that taken away because I never thought that I could live this way again and have motivation and have something that drives me. And then all of a sudden, the moment I'm finally like motivated is when like I don't get too many opportunities. But I'm just grateful for whatever comes my way, and thank you guys for supporting that. So if you guys see it, I'll let you know, and give it a like, give it a comment. I always thank you friends for that. What else? Oh, I was sad because like I got this opportunity, which is really amazing, but I actually got a few. and one actually took away an opportunity because they're gonna go bankrupt. But I didn't know that they were gonna go bankrupt, so I thought I had done something wrong. I was like waiting and waiting and waiting for weeks, and I actually said no to another company that was food related because I was working with the other company. And so I was like, you know, you can't take on things that are similar if it's like food related and you have like a contract and you say you can't work with this food company, whatever the case. But I guess I just felt bad that it was taken away, but at the same time I don't anymore because I've realized it has nothing to do with me, because I was like, I'm a hard worker and I'm really good and I finish everything on time, so like what could possibly have been the problem? I'm like, we're so good at like communicating with brands, very professional, you know, things like that. Even as a person, I'm always on time. Even when it comes to my friends, I'm on time. I'm never late. Because I understand that time is important and I don't want to waste my friends' time and things like that. Well, speaking of friends, I don't have any friends here locally, but I'm not looking for any at the moment. Honestly, if it comes, it comes, but I'm not forcing it because, like, as much as, like, I love people, I love my life just the way it is right now, and I want it to come naturally. I don't want it to be forced. I don't want our family members to, like, set us up with other families to be friends with. We want to find them on our own. You know what I'm saying? It's important. Hi, Papa.
We decided to play.
Okay, awesome. Anyways, the boys had a fun ski day. Oh my gosh, did I show you this? Okay, so I made the lemon bars. I'm gonna just add, you know, that good powdered sugar on top. But this, do you remember this? We used to call this the crack-a-lack. They're saltines with like your homemade caramel sauce, right? And then you put that in the oven for 100 degrees for 6 minutes. Take it out, baby. Sprinkle chocolate chips, then things will melt. Spread it, and then add your nuts if you want. You don't have to add nuts. You can add pistachio, you can add pecans, you can add almonds. I like almonds. And then you're ready to eat it. It is so crunchy. It is addicting. I have a Cook with April on this from probably 10 years ago. If you guys want to watch it, I'll link it below. But thank you, friends, for watching. Have a wonderful Saturday night, and I'll see you guys next time. And family's coming tomorrow, so I will vlog a little bit, but you know I don't show the baby. He's so precious.